We have an interesting story. I mean, something that never really crossed my mind. This is what happens when you work at Apple for 5 years, 5+ years. This is what you get. The headline, here's what Tim Cook sends to Apple employees after 5 years of service. Now, I didn't know that you got anything. Granted, when I clicked on the headline, I thought my mind was going a little bit wild as far as what it might be that you get. It turns out you get a plaque. But Jack's not happy about it.
A plaque?
It's signed by Tim Cook in pen.
Is it?
In pen.
Looks like a stamp to me. This
is why Jack's on the show today, for this moment right here, to let you all know, never give him a plaque.
Yeah, that's the one.
What happens, Jack, on YouTube when you get a certain number of subscribers? They send you a plaque.
Mm-hmm.
A plaque is pretty common for milestones.
But is it something you really want? I guess some people, they put it up.
I don't know. Jack.
Shows up in their videos.
What do I know? They're proud. Mm-hmm. They've accomplished it. He writes there's a little thing written on there. 5 years at Apple is a significant milestone. When you came here, you signed up to accomplish truly great things. Since then, you have brought passion, creativity. I don't know how he knows that. You just been there 5 years. I guess he figures you would have been fired if you weren't bringing those things 5 years plus.
What if you were a janitor or something?
Jack.
You're bringing passion?
Yeah, you can bring passion anywhere you want.
It's true.
Any person anywhere can bring more passion than someone else.
It's true.
It doesn't matter where. You have energized and inspired others through the standards you set for yourself. And you have made the kind of impact that changes people's lives. Okay, this is a little much. That is significant. Thank you for all you have done and all you will do throughout your journey at Apple. This is like your mom writes something like this to you when you graduate, or I don't know, you go to university or something. You get a card that says something. Obviously, maybe this person has a personal relationship with Tim Cook, but presumably they don't, and presumably people who have received this who don't have a personal relationship with Tim Cook. It feels very presumptuous the way it's written that this person has done all these things. Creativity, passion, energized and inspired. What if I worked there and I didn't energize and inspire?
Yeah, it's very culty to me. It's like you're being branded by them or something. Like they expect you to put this up in your house and be proud of it. It's like.
But the thing is, Jack, if you've been there for 5 years, chances are you will. Chances are you are going to be proud of it.
Yeah.
Like you and I haven't been there for 5 years.
No.
So, but I'm definitely going to have to cancel the version of this that was coming your way.
Yeah, yeah.
It says
for passion
5 years at Unbox Therapy.
Thanks for cleaning the toilets.
What a terrible milestone.
Ton of passion in the toilet.
Can't believe you're still here.
Yeah. Have you left yet?
What can we do to convince you to get out of here?
Yeah.
No, I don't know, man. I don't know. Look, they don't have to give him anything. So that's always the way I look at it. I always go to that place.
Mm-hmm.
Is presumably the guy gets paid. He has a job. You don't need that extra piece. And I sort of felt that way about the plaques at YouTube, but then when you would do a video about the plaque, the audience would be proud of that. They'd say that's a big milestone, and and
it
you would
means
see
something.
PewDiePie would post a triple diamond plaque, and people are into it because they want humans want to commemorate things. They want some sort of recognition. I saw a clip, getting back to sports for one quick second, of a guy getting inducted into the Hall of Fame, Football Hall of Fame. It was all over the sports highlights.
Was it Moss? Randy Moss?
Did
they surprise him somewhere?
No, but it wasn't Moss. It was a coach. I saw the Moss one too. It was a coach. It was just recently, and it was on the broadcast, and he starts bawling. So he's crying. It's because only he knows to what extent he's been invested in this particular thing. And maybe this guy who got this particular note here, maybe it's been a struggle. Maybe it's, you just don't know the whole picture. So to us as outsiders, it's easy to poke fun. But ultimately, if it's meaningful to the individual, then that's fine with me. So he posted it on Twitter. He calls it the 5-year flex.
Yeah, and I guess it's not like it's a small company where you can take the guy out for a couple of beers and a pizza.
Which would be great, which would be better.
Yeah, but it's just there's too many employees. Yeah. You can't really do that.
No, you can't really do it if you're Tim Cook. No. But around here, we can do beer and pizza. Mm-hmm. Kirk might have to have a cider or something like that instead. But that's fine. We can accommodate. Or we could go to the noodle spot like we already did. You go back to the noodle spot.
All you can eat noodles.
Or we could maybe finally do the Korean barbecue. You just have to hit 5 years, Jack.
Okay.
Did you hit that?
It's coming close, I think.
All right. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, you heard it here first. There will be no plaques around here, but there will be pizza and beer.
Sweet.